So it's late September here in Tennessee, and I just picked some loofah. Got some sections cleaned up and cut up here. You can leave it in a half a section, you can leave it in the whole section, or cut out the center, and it makes a nice little pad. You can wash your hands with it, use it at the kitchen sink, or you can use it in the shower. It's got a bunch of different uses. Some people like it. They make good gifts. Some people have no idea what it is, but I guess they used to use it back in the day before you could go down to the store and buy your dish rags or whatever. You could actually grow it and use it. It's pretty durable. It's somewhat soft when it gets wet. So I'll go through the process of getting it to this point right here. So you really want this to be quite a bit softer. That's where all the seeds come out. But when it's still kind of wet and kind of yellowish brown, like this one will be before too long, that's when you can just peel it off real easily. So we got one that's kind of crispy and dry, and this one is still pliable, kind of soft. So we're going to see which one is easier to peel the skin on. When it dries out, it starts to stick. So that wasn't too bad. Still kind of soft and wet. Let's try this one. We got a lot of seeds in them. So it can be done when it's that dry, but it comes off a lot easier when it's still a bit wet. So that looks a lot better because it's drier. But once that dries out and washed, it'll look just as good. I'll just set these over here and let them dry out. And you can soak that in bleach, watered down bleach for a little bit. That's how people get them so bright white when they cut them in pieces and sell them. Or you can leave it like that. It's not bad. So you just hang it up, let it dry out. Let's take a look at the inside of a loofah. This one still has a bunch of seeds in it. People use these for so many different things. Very durable material. It dries out and then it gets, you can get it wet and it kind of gets softer. I work with guys that work in a mechanic shop, and they've always got some of this next to their sink where they wash their hands, and it's really durable. I like scrubbing my hands with it, but it's pretty rough in other areas. But it's a pretty neat plant. It produces those yellow flowers pretty much all summer into the fall. The bees work them. It's fun to grow. It kind of hangs down. You can build arches and they'll grow up over it. And you just leave some of the seeds on the ground, and they usually volunteer back up in the spring. Or you can save the seeds and plant them exactly where you want them. It's a pretty neat plant. All right, we're gonna put one of these in bleach and leave one out and see what the difference is. Just a little bit of bleach. looks a little bit whiter. And you can leave it in the bleach even longer and it'll whiten it up even more. There's hundreds of them in there. Spread them around and they'll come up next year.